Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Acura TLX Type S versus Mustang GT. We will examine their core differences, performance metrics, and overall driving experiences. This comparison will help you decide which vehicle best suits your needs, focusing on luxury versus raw power. When it comes to raw power, the Mustang GT's 5.0-liter V8 engine delivers an impressive 480 to 486 horsepower. This allows for a blistering 0 to 60 miles per hour time of just 3.9 seconds with the automatic transmission. The Acura TLX Type S, while powerful, offers 355 horsepower from its turbocharged V6, reaching 60 miles per hour in about 4.6 seconds. Both offer thrilling acceleration. Beyond straight-line speed, driving dynamics differ significantly. The Acura TLX Type S features advanced super handling all-wheel drive, providing exceptional grip and precise cornering. Its interior offers premium materials and sophisticated technology for a refined experience. The Mustang GT, with its rear-wheel drive and available manual transmission, delivers a more visceral, driver-focused feel, though its interior is also modern and well-equipped. Considering value, the Mustang GT often has a more accessible starting price, making its V8 performance widely available. The TLX Type S, while pricier, offers a blend of luxury, performance, and all-weather capability that appeals to a different buyer. Ultimately, your choice depends on prioritizing raw power versus refined sportiness. Be sure to check the description for a link to these meal prep containers, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.